Let's see how we can install R and RStudio on Windows 11. Go to Google and type install R. Now click on this first result from rproject.org and click on this download R 4.3.1 for Windows. Now version might be greater for you, but still just click on this download button. Now as you can see, the download has started. Once R is downloaded, just click on open file or open the file by going to your downloads folder and your installer will start. Click OK, click next, and this is where your R will be installed. Click next again, no need to change this. Click next again, click next again, click next again, and finally R is installing. Once that we have installed R, we will use RStudio to write and run R code. While this is installing, let's minimize this and go to Google again and type download RStudio. Now click on this first result from postit.co, and as you can see here, R is downloaded. Just click on finish. Now we will download RStudio. We have already downloaded R. We just need to download RStudio for Windows. Click on this and RStudio download is started. Now our RStudio is also downloaded. Click on open file and RStudio installer will open. This is the RStudio install wizard. Click on next, and this is where RStudio will be installed. Just keep on clicking next until the installation starts. Now RStudio has been installed. Let's open RStudio and run R. Press Windows button and type RStudio. Now you will see this icon. Click on this and RStudio will open. When you are opening R for the first time, it will ask you this question. Please select version of R to use. You can keep this to this one, the first default one, and just click on OK. And this will ask this question about sending crash reports. You can click yes or no, it does not matter. And now our RStudio is open. So let's see how we can run this code. First, just do the usual print hello world. Now you can run this code using Control and Enter. So I press Control and Enter, and as you can see, hello world is printed. You can also go do some arithmetic expressions like a equals to 1 plus 2 and press Control Enter again. Now you have installed R and RStudio and you have run the hello world. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.